Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to make each letter a different color in Canva. Are you looking for a way to make each letter a different color in Canva and make your text colorful? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Right, so what you need to do, whether you're on PC, laptop, Mac, or mobile, open your favorite browser, right? Or if you're in mobile, open the Canva app. And now that we're on the Canva homepage, what you need to do is open any template. So I click on Doc. This is Doc, right? So it's so easy to make each letter a different color. So what you need to do is highlight the letter or letters you want to change the color to. Click on text color over here, and a prompt will appear. So let's say we want the IN to be red. See, it's red now. SE, let's click that again. Let's make it yellow, right? There you go. It's yellow. And the RT, let's make it lime green. As you can see, each color will have, each letter or letters will have different colors as you go, right? Let's make this pink. There you go. Let's make that gray. And then let's make this last two colors sky blue, teal. There you go. That's how you change text colors or font colors in a very easy manner. Again, it's the text color, the AU here before the bold, right? That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.